What's up everybody, tech tip today. I'm talking about batteries and this nest down here. So what we got is we have a 24 cranker that is supporting not one, not two, but three HDS 12s along with this 250 Pro XS. So what I'm going to tell you right now is I just plugged this in for testing and it was sitting at 1240 when we started, or actually 1290 when we started. And all I did was power on the 3 units and you're down to, well, 1199, 12 volts. So basically what I'm saying is make sure that you got the right size battery for what you're doing. So if you're running big units, you may need more than one battery. You may need a 27 with some big reserve capacity. Because what's happening, if I go crank this engine right now, this thing will fall down to probably 10, 9, maybe even 8 volts. And then you're going to shut your units off and everything's going to be bad. Basically, tech tip is make sure you're running the right battery to run your electronics, your pumps, and your motor. Make sure everything's correct, okay? And don't make it look like this. Bye-bye.